Are you tired of the daily grind of working a 9-to-5 job? Are you longing for a way to channel your creativity into a profitable venture? If so, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine might be just what you need to start your own business and unleash your artistic talents. This 15x15-inch 8-in-1 sublimation machine is a game-changer in the world of personalized products. With its precision digital control and display, dual-tube heating technology, 360-degree swing-away design, and high-security performance, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine is designed to help you create high-quality products that your customers will love. One of the most significant advantages of the VEVOR Heat Press Machine is its unmatched dual-tube heating technology. This feature ensures even heating with only a 5 degrees Celsius temperature difference between the center and edge of the platen, which means that you can create flawless transfers without worrying about uneven heating. In addition, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine comes with a 360-degree swing-away design that allows you to rotate the platen completely, ensuring that you can work safely and conveniently. The fully rotatable swing arm provides an even pressure distribution for high-quality transfers, reducing the risk of accidental contact and injuries. The VEVOR Heat Press Machine also features 2 layers of insulation technology, which means that the surface temperature remains a safe 50-70 degrees Celsius even when the working temperature reaches 210 degrees Celsius, minimizing the risk of scalding. This feature ensures that you can work with peace of mind, knowing that you're protected from potential accidents. With its 8-in-1 versatile kit, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine offers endless possibilities for creating personalized products. The 15x15-inch Teflon-coated platen provides a non-stick, stable surface perfect for transferring designs onto caps, t-shirts, mugs, plates, and more. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand your current one, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine is an affordable and high-quality solution for entrepreneurs and artists alike. With its ease of use and versatility, you can create a range of personalized products that will delight your customers and grow your business. For a limited time, you can get this amazing 8-in-1 heat press machine at 8% off. Don't miss this incredible deal. Invest in the VEVOR Heat Press Machine today and start making money doing what you love. You can purchase the VEVOR Heat Press Machine for just $288.89, down from $315.62, and enjoy the benefits of free prime shipping from Amazon. So what are you waiting for? Get your VEVOR Heat Press Machine now and start your journey towards a profitable and creative business.